guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to a Confessions of a Paper Addict Cutfiles design team layout. I have a cute little signpost for you. This was from the, I believe, June release, and it's just called Signposts. Lovely little, can you be used for so many things. So we're going to play with this cut file. I kind of have an idea. I'm not quite sure what I want to do, but I have an idea, and I think it'll work out. I have this awesome photo of my husband with a giant northern pike that he caught. I'm going to take it out of the plastic. That I want to scrapbook, and we're going to use this Jen Hadfield collection. What is it again? Live and Let Grow. And the main reason I'm choosing this collection is because it's got this beautiful bluish purple wave paper and all the beautiful blues in my photo. I just thought it would go really, really well. So I am going to choose, I hadn't really decided what I wanted to back my signposts in, but I gotta figure that out. So I'm gonna back my signposts, and then we will get started. I think I'm going to do the signs in the leftovers of this, or the posts. So it's all one, maybe not. I didn't think about that. That was silly. Because I might just do white, or maybe I'll back them with this cardstock. So this is from a scrap room kit, and we get 2 pieces of cardstock, and then this one's vanilla. So that actually would work. Just back them with this so it kind of goes, because I don't want to do super white because that'll be just too white. So yeah, maybe we'll do that. But I wanted to play with these papers just because they're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. Ooh, maybe this will be my background. That'll be pretty intense, but that would be kind of fun. So yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous papers that, yeah, I just want to play with. I just want to play with some layers, and I want to play with these signposts. And then we're going to stamp north, south, east, west is the plan. And just do some fun layers. I don't plan on doing anything crazy, and just having this next to my photo. And then I have an idea for a title, but I got to make sure I have enough thickers that I can do that. So let me go ahead and map my photo, because I want to do that. I'm going to back the post with a pattern, maybe this blue or the checkered, or the dark checkered. And then I'm going to back my actual signs with the vanilla cardstock. I'm going to gut this because we're going to use this as well. And then I'll check back in with you. All right, I'll be back. All right, you should have seen a little footage of me stamping there. I changed my mind. I decided to go with the names of the lakes that we like to fish at. So those are the 4 that are closest to us that we like to go to. And my husband actually caught this one, which is in our own backyard. So that's what my journaling is going to be about. I'm debating if I want to journal all down around here, or if I just want to do a little journaling. But when in doubt, when you're not really sure like what you want to do, always do a Freaky Fast formula. So the scrap room has these Freaky Fast formulas they put out every month as like a part of their challenge, and I love them for getting stuck, because a lot of times it's like, well, I have random papers that are not all 12 by 12. I happen to have 12 by 12 this time, but I had papers that I could cut down to the sizes on the Freaky Fest formula, and so I did that. And then I like to just cut them with random papers and then arrange them how I see fit. So this one, I use the one for June. I keep kind of them in my back pocket to use for whenever I'm like, I don't know what I want to do. So I needed a 6 1/4 by 11 3/4 piece of paper. I already had this paper, and it was pretty much that I had to cut a 1/4 inch off. A 6 3/4 by 4 3/4, which could be used as a mat, but my photo's bigger, but that's this piece. A 1/2 inch by 11 3/4. That's a branding strip. So I just cut a 1/4 inch off of it. And then 3 3/4 by 4 3/4. And that's this paper, which is just the back of this one. So and then I just started kind of arranging them on the page how I liked it, and I really like this. And I like how the sign pops off. I matted my photo twice on this paper, Moonflower. So matted it on this side first and then on that side. And yeah, it turned out real good. I enjoy this quite a bit. Really makes the sign stand out and really makes my photo stand out. So I'm going to get all this stuff glued down, and I was going to do a clever title, but I think so my thought was to do in our own backyard, but the way my photo, the way this is looking right now, I just feel like a big title like that, long, would take away. I don't know. It just doesn't seem like it would fit with what I got going on. So I do have wood grain Happy Day, so I think I might do that, and then I might add O with these, and we'll see. I might not, because I have these wood grain that I can use Happy Day, but I don't even know if I need to do that. I might just do Happy Day, and then it'll use more of these stickers up, because I'm trying to use some of my pre-mades up where I only have like so many. I also have this Create Happy would be a really good. That'd be good to use with this collection. Maybe I'll do something else to Create. Okay. And then I have all these stickers. I haven't decided if I'm going to use them at all. The papers are really speaking to me. I might tuck some of the florals in, because none of these really... this is where I want to be. So we'll see. Let me get these glued down and figure out where I'm going to put my title, and then we'll see if we want to add embellishments or not. But I really like the paper talking right now. All right, I stuck my title down here. I liked it down at the bottom, and then I went ahead and grabbed a few of the stickers, a few of the ephemera pieces. There was a fish that was another reason I was like, I gotta use this collection. I got a fish in my ephemera. It was perfect. Plus this water paper. I just love it. So I tucked this ephemera piece with some florals up there and a pine cone. This floral basket. It's like a fish basket too, which I thought perfect. And I tucked a sailboat just because they're on a boat. It works. And then I use this foam. This is where I want to be. And then a few of this was a sticker, and this is an ephemera piece I got. But yeah, I like the way this turned out. This turned out real good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day, and we'll see you next time.